Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing great. Today I have an unboxing and initial review of a wireless lapel microphone for DSL cameras, for example. And this was kindly sent to me by Aliexpress, and here is the website. Let me show that to you real quick. I will of course provide a link in the description. And without further ado, here we go. So there is a cover up of the initial box. Okay, here we go. It's the Vimo C by Comica, and I received this a few days ago, but I was so busy I could not open it up yet, so this is it. So we have some cards, some of course the mandatory manual, and some stickers, it seems. And you know what, I normally hate if people show all this stuff and not get to the some nice transparent stickers, warranty card. And let me tell you right now, it is the price is $56, and this camera what I'm talking about, microphone, used to cost over $150. And it comes with this nice pouch. There's a version without this pouch that is cheaper, but I think it's totally worth it. And here we go. And now everybody shows this first. I'm gonna show the microphones first. So this is another yet carrying case in a carrying case, which doubles as a charger for the microphones. And these turn on, as you see, as soon as you take them out. And this one has a nice IPS screen with a cover, and of course it has two microphones. And there's also a battery indicator, and this does charge with type C, of course. Can you see it? It's hot, black on black on black. So now we get to the other part. Here you have of course some silica gel wire for connecting it to your camera. It's very nice that it's coiled wire, and it shows you which part goes where. So this goes into the receiver, and this goes into your camera. And we have another wire cable. One is for the camera and one is for your cell phone, because your cell phone has 4 connectors and your camera obviously also only has 3. So this is actually the one for the camera. This one is for a cell phone with the 4 pins. Those are called tips, sleeve, something. I forgot, excuse me. Oops, I'm gonna almost tear the wind mufflers apart. Oh, it's just nice and fluffy and soft, and it goes over the microphone. There's of course 2 in there. What else we have? A regular standard, I think this wire, everybody has a USB to type C charging cable. So that was it, and it all fits into this pouch, and you can safely put it in your bag and carry it. Now, as you saw, I just unboxed it, so all I know so far is from the videos I have seen, and it's a very nice sturdy case, definitely worth the price. Oh, it cost like $6-7 more for that. And you pull the screen, one, two, three. Ooh. And you can see 1, 2, 3. That's the camera I'm holding here, A, and this is 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And you can use it with 1 or 2 as a backup on a second channel that records on a backup, or left and right. And I have this big dream of mine, to go to a live Formula 1 race one day. This is how it looks like. It kind of looks like the security guards on the Queen's Palace, no? It reminds me. You have an on-off switch, you have a mute switch, and a charging port. It's covered on the bottom. So you take this off, so it will charge through the magnetic pins here when you put it in the case. I can't get this off. And you can charge it via Type-C as well. And they have, of course, the clip. And I really like how they look, minimalistic, square, but with rounded edges. Just my type of design. Take this out too, glue it to the table. And the receiver has one as well. I might go too much into detail with showing you all this, but I think it is important. Charging port on this one is over here. Just wondering if it's not on the bottom. And you can adjust the volume, and I will get all to that in the nitty gritty. And you can even change the rotation of the display. And these beauties, and I hope that I can soon use my Canon R50 to record these videos much better than using my phone. And this one will clip into this cage. I don't know which way I will do it. Maybe the other way. Like so. And then use the, which one did I say? Camera switcher. And plug it in here into the microphone input. And this is it. I might do it the other way around, because I don't want that wire hanging over my hand. Okay, it sits, it's fully inserted. And then plug it in like that. I might be able to go put this all the way out of the way. Oh yeah. And plug it in like that. And have the wire underneath the lens. Beautiful. So this is my first part of this video. I probably bored you enough with unboxing, and it happens to have the display is on the right orientation. It goes to sleep, or it dims, which is fine, and then you can adjust the volume and whatnot. You have a better indicator, and the mode is on mono. Stereo. Safety, that's when it records one track on the left side and another muted track on the right side, on the right channel, and then mono back again. So another addition to my camera, and I'm currently building a slider for it, which will be very nice. And now I can of course plug this to my chest, and when I talk you can see the volume on channel B. So hopefully I will have better sounding voice, although my voice kinda sucks, I know that, but it is what it is, I cannot change it. So this is the Comica Vimo C microphone, wireless microphone, and it also comes in white. If you don't like black, if you have everything white in your house, you can order it in white. And then the charging carrying case is also white. Thanks again for Aliexpress for sending me this out. Okay, you can see here the different, you can get the C1 with one receiver and one transmitter, C2 two transmitters, one receiver, and C3 is the two transmitters, receiver, and the battery case. And mind you, these did cost $150. There are many reviews out there. If you just type in those three words in YouTube, you can find them. And oh, one important thing, of course, it's a microphone, wireless microphone. The distance from the transmitter to the receiver is over 200 meters in line of sight. So if you face your camera with your transmitter on your chest, over 200 meters, and here, range up to 200 meters open area. It is really that range. I mean, I know how stuff gets in, data gets inflated, and 200 meters turns out to be 20 meters, but this really does go over 200 meters. And if you like it, if you like me to show it to you, leave a comment below this video, and I will put it up there and make a test for you. But this is really nice microphone. There are some smaller ones, but I mean, once you have this on your shirt, it doesn't weigh it down. It's very light. Does it say how light it is here? No, it doesn't. Let me do that really quick for you guys, in case you're wondering. I have here my trusty scale. Oh, it's really bad that the light is coming in. Okay, turn it on. Hello. It's 12.78 grams. So it really, I mean, if you have it in your hand, it's like no weight at all. This is heavier. 14.86 gram. So very light, compact, stereo, mono, with safety feature. It has a beautiful display that you can see, and USB type charging all the way around. And I will get to the more technical things in part 2 of this video. Don't want to make one video too long because I do lose viewers due to their attention span, or if it gets too boring. But this is it, made in China. What isn't made in China, guys? Everything these days, or for a long time. So anyway, this is it. If you want to see part 2, please do subscribe and hit the notification button. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Let me know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. And I talk to you on the next one. Take care, everybody.